Thank you. And Mark, what would you say that attributes to your success in the industry?
It's persistence. The world changes, and you got to be willing to change with it. You got to try and be on not the bleeding edge, but the leading edge, so that you can lead where people need to go. And you're constantly reading and understanding what's happening in the markets, what's happening within technology, but more important than what's happening in technology, what's happening in business. If I can't solve business problems with my technology, there's no sense in me trying to implement a technology solution. So you need to be aware of what's going on, and you need to be persistent.
Now, I think that's